Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing my garage, specifically this storage area over here. I want to make it more functional and less messy. We are blessed with a double car garage plus extra storage space, so we want to be able to use this storage space in an effective manner. We've got some junk and some mess that we want to clean up. Now my husband is gone for the day, so I'm able to surprise him by doing this cleaning project and surprise him when he gets home. That's kind of fun, right? All right, let's go. So what I really want to work on is this area in particular. A lot of this I want to clear up so that it can be a lot more functional, easier to get in and out of. I moved the scooters and bikes out here because my kids are about to go play, and now I'm going to work on this mess. I'm gonna buy them helmets that fit later. Gotta work on this mess. I've been hanging stuff up. I dumped out this box and now I'm going through all the trash pretty much.
I would like a strawberry.
We found some toys. I found some sunglasses and a hair clip. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. We're playing Barbies.
Cool. Back to work.
Thank you so much for playing.
Making some progress. I'm getting exhausted, but we're making a lot of progress. Getting better.
Yeah.
More progress. Getting there. Okay, we're making a lot of awesome progress. I'm gonna move these bicycles and that bicycle over by these ones.